I'm going to show you how to make quick money online in a day. My name is Blue Hair Dave, and I'm going to show you the fastest way to make some big money in just one single day. And I mean big money, not just $5 or $10 or $15 or $20 or even $50, but big money. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it on my computer right now, so let's jump right into it.
Perfect.
So here we are, and I'm going to show you how to make quick money online in a day. I'm going to assume that you do not want to learn a ton of new skills because that takes a lot of time learning something new, and you're not going to be able to make the money in a day. Like, you're here because you want to learn how to make money right now in a day. So I'm going to show you kind of two different ways to do it. I'm going to show you how to start for free without learning a bunch of new skills. Now, there's a couple of different ways. Some people might take the long way and the thorough way, learn like a whole new job set, but you just want, right now, I need to make money. I don't want to learn an encyclopedia of new skills to show me how to make money. For me personally, I would take the time to learn a new skill set so that you've got like a job that you can go into. I've been doing this for over 13 years, so I love it. What I'm going to show you is something that I do, but I do it in a different way where I know if I spend a certain amount of money, I make a certain amount of profit, and I go from there because it's a business. But you want to make money in a day, right? So you also probably don't want to have any big startup costs, I'm guessing. Is that correct? Right? So you don't want big startup costs, and you don't want to take the time to learn a bunch of stuff. So this video is going to be a couple minutes, and it's going to show you how to make big money in one day. So we're looking for quick money. We've established that, right? I'll spare you all the crazy fake guru stuff. Disclaimer alert, I do sell a course. That's not what this video is about necessarily, but I am doing a giveaway, and my course is basically how I've made money the past 13 years. So disclaimer, there is a slight guruness, but I'm not like that because I've been doing this over 13 years. I got awards to prove all kinds of weird stuff, but I do sell a course. I just want to let you know that. But I do have a giveaway, and you'll see it at the end of the video on how to enter to win this course. And it's really a mentorship where I help people one-on-one, just showing you what I do or what I have done in the last 13 years. So just wanted to make that short disclaimer. Okay, so we've established that we don't want a big setup like building a website, and we don't want to spend all week Googling to learn a bunch of new skills. I also want this to be big for you, so it's not $20. Also note, if you need money in your hand, like in the next 24 hours, like cash in hand, you're going to need to find something that's going to pay you cash. And I'm going to explain this because the method that I'm going to show you is that you'll make that money, but usually people don't pay you like immediately. It might pay you 2 days later, 7 days later. Even if they did pay you like tonight or tomorrow for the money that you made today, they're still going to have to wire that money to you or send you a check, and you're going to have to cash that check. So if you absolutely need money in the next 24 hours, you need to find somebody who will pay you cold, hard cash. Okay. So I just don't want to mislead you on any of that. The way I do business is people pay me wirely weekly. What I do is affiliate marketing, and they pay me everything I made from the week before on one day for that week. So that way they add up 7 days, and then it's a total, because I don't want to be wiring money every single day. And I insist on getting wires from people as payment. Getting daily payments is a pain in the butt kind of for everybody because it's hard to track. I'd rather just see, what did I make the last week? Did they send me the right amount? Okay, we're good. So if you need cash in hand, like I said, 24 hours, we'll do a little twist on this method, and I'll show you kind of how to do that with a little tip. Because no matter what that you're doing, working as a freelancer, Upwork, Fiverr, you're not going to get paid that money in your account that day. It takes time to clear the money. PayPal, Stripe payments, even checking a cash. It's going to take days sometimes, depending on what you have in your account, how much they're going to free up. So just so you're aware of that, a little disclaimer. Now, there's a zillion ways to make money online. A lot of money, really. It's a billion-dollar industry, billions and billions and billions of dollars industry right now. So you can be an affiliate marketer or an email marketer like I am. When you learn how to do it well, you can do it very well. There's really good money to be had. You can do some gigs on Fiverr if you have a skill set that you can sell out to somebody or have them pay you per a gig. But I'm guessing you want to learn how to make hundreds, even thousands just in one day. Now, there's two main ways I'm going to show you how it could be possible. So if you can find an affiliate network and sign up, it takes just a few seconds, and then you find something that appeals to you. Now, an affiliate network is a place that ClickBank is a real famous one. They'll take anybody. You can sign up immediately. on ClickBank and sign up. It's clickbank.com, I think. I'm not even going to give you an affiliate link. Maybe I'll put a link below. Just search for the links below. And you can sign up for ClickBank, and they will accept everybody. And then they pay quickly. So they want to know, where do we send your money? Where do we PayPal to? Where can we wire the money to? And what an affiliate network is somebody that pays you for sending somebody else traffic. Does that make sense? One of the things I like to do is mortgage leads or home financing offers. But you can really choose anything. And once you sign up, they have a link. That link is what you give people. When they sign up for that, the company knows that you sent them, and then you get paid whatever the agreed payment is. So a lot of mortgage companies right now, they'll pay anywhere from $35 to $90. So 65 to 90 is kind of the range I've been dealing with lately. And that's really good money. Okay. I like that. So, and they don't have to actually buy anything. They don't have to buy a house. They don't even have to get a mortgage. So for like a mortgage lead or finance, they simply have to fill out a form to learn more about getting a mortgage. That shows you how much the mortgage companies are probably making on this once they do sign somebody up for a mortgage. So affiliate networks pay you to recommend people to sign up for something. And like I said, I like financial things because they're leads. People don't need to buy anything. They just need to fill out a lead, like Geico Insurance, right? You've seen the commercials. If you go to the Geico landing page with somebody gives somebody the affiliate link and they want to save money on their auto insurance, 15 minutes can save you a bundle, then they pay like $35 for a lead sometimes. Just for somebody to ask about saving on an auto insurance to get a quote. They don't have to sign up with Geico. They just have to ask for a quote. $35. Done deal. Okay, that's awesome. That's what this is the power. So you can see where you can make a lot of money in one day coming up here, right? So this is what I do for a living. So you grab the link from the affiliate network and then let people know about it. Okay. Now for this, people just want to learn more about it. So if you have a mortgage lead, this pays $60. I literally have one that pays me $90 right now. When we're recording this, and it's about 10 days ago, one of the reps came and said, we have a thing for $90. Let's use the $90 one, even better than 60, right? If you want to make $500, you don't need that many leads to make $500. So you'll make $450 off of 5 people that want to get a mortgage. So 5 people. So let's just say it's $450. You want to make $450 today. You go find this offer. I think it's called Amerisave. You can check my links below, and I'll probably have some information about what affiliate networks have this. And if you get 5 people that fill out the lead, then you're going to make $450. Now, they have to be interested. They have to want to get a refinance. This is for a refinance. But rates, as I record this right now, are all-time low. Okay, so at an all-time low rate, people are interested in this. They want to see if they can get like a 2.75 30-year fix on their house. It's super crazy low. So this is an easy one to get. Okay. So how do we get this without paying? Ideally, you want to pay for an ad online and you spend $100 and you bring in $600 and you know that you've got, a 500% return on investment or whatnot. In order for you to do this for free, because you want to make money right now, it really doesn't get any easier for this, okay? Because that's a $90 sale. You need 5 people that that are interested in getting a refinance or at least learning about it. What you need to do to promote this is the easiest way to do it is to go on your social media, go on your Instagram, go on your Facebook, go on your Snapchat, TikTok, whatever it is, YouTube, if you have a YouTube channel, whatever it is, and just say, hey, I just found an incredible way to search for the lowest rate out there. If you have a home or you're thinking about purchasing a home, check this out. And here's the link. That's it. Now, if you get 5 people on your feed that are interested and click on it and then fill it out, you just made 90 times 5, $450, okay, in a day. It's really quite as simple as that. Now, can you sustain this over and over and over again every day? No, but you wanted quick money in a day. Now, there is a way to do this, and it's called affiliate marketing, and that's what I do for a living. And so I teach people how to do this, and I like to do paid ads because if I paid a certain amount of money, I'd like to know how much I made, like I said earlier. You promote this offer the same way you would any other offer, except with paid ads on Facebook. So instead of just going to your 2,000 friends you have on Facebook, you can get in front of 200,000 or 2 million people or 200 million people if you want. Heck, you can probably do a couple billion people if you wanted, but most of these offers are country specific. Like this refi offer is only good in the United States. A second way to make a lot of money is to promote a high ticket sale item. So for instance, I have a course, like I mentioned earlier, where I teach people how to do internet marketing, affiliate marketing, mostly email marketing, how to do what I do day in and day out. Now, that cost about $1,000. And that's a mentorship where I help people one-on-one and things like that. And I teach, I have a bunch of videos, like over 30 videos where I show people how to do affiliate marketing the way I've been doing it over the last 13 years with adjustments that I've made over the years and what I currently do and what I'm up to now, things like that. And then if somebody purchases that course, my course, then I pay you $400 to $500 depending on what the sale price of that course is. And this is if there's a discount. So you could literally recommend 2 people to buy my course and then make almost $1,000 in a day if you wanted. Okay. Now, of course, I'm not going to pay you out like within an hour because people have to sign up and go through a process and onboarding. But if they get into the program and they stick with it for about a week, then you're going to get your money at the end of 30 days. So that's a way to make that amount of money. And then you get paid a couple of weeks later because that's how the industry works for the most part. Now, if you do a lot of really big volume, then people are going to pay you weekly, like I was saying before. So that's 2 different ways to make money without paying for an ad or anything. Just use your social media, something like a refinance or even Geico, $35 a lead. If somebody wants to check to see if they can get cheaper auto insurance with Geico and they fill out a form using your link, that's $35 that you get paid. You get 10 people to fill out, that's $350. I don't know what you're making a day, but an extra $350 tomorrow would be awesome, right? So that's how my suggestion is to make a bunch of money all in one day. It's affiliate marketing, but you're not paying for ads. I prefer the paid ad method. But if you want to put things on social media, then this is the best way that I can think to do it. Okay. Affiliate marketing is a big industry. Amazon, Google, everybody participates in it. So like I said before, I've got a giveaway too, right? So the giveaway is this. If you want to win access to my full BHD plan mentorship, it includes over 20 hours of videos. There's like 30 plus videos and training, 1-versus-1 help with me, including a private Facebook group. To enter, all you need to do is subscribe and comment below these 3 words, win, win, win. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on the video and say win, 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 and you will be entered. I've already had a winner of this already, and he is super stoked, and I'll have his testimonial soon. And if you want to join the other people that have been through the program and in the mentorship, you'll have a great time. I treat everybody that's in the group. It's not a huge factory of people. It's I take the time to onboard everybody myself personally, and it's hard to find a 2 Comma Club award winner who's going to do that, and I still do that. So in order to enter to win the contest, just subscribe to the YouTube channel and put the little chime button so you get notified when I put things out, and type in win, win, win in the comment. And that's it. Okay. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video about the quickest way to make money, and go ahead and comment below and enter that contest, and I'll see you later. Bye.